What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Quick update on Gala Games. Some big news came out causing an explosion in the price. Currently sitting at 0.026, up 26% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 161 million. 24-hour volume obviously increased here, up at 191 million. So here's the news. We're now in the middle of evaluating 15 mobile games that we own. We have 2 high priority targets and have already moved people onto the task of bringing these games onto our blockchain. Spider Tanks and Townstar are definitely helping us plan their tokenomics and NFT integration. But I can share that we are planning on giving all the existing users replacements to their current non-transferable assets on Gyra, making them all newly minted owners of digital assets on our blockchain. Should hopefully be a nice influx of new users onto the blockchain, which should also mean that the Gala usage goes up. So awesome to see Gala attracting a bunch of new users with these games, and definitely love to see some good news coming out for Gala. Haven't seen some news in a while, so this is pretty exciting. As I've been mentioning, this is my favorite crypto metaverse project that I think will be one of the top movers in the metaverse space in the next bull run. And as you can see, we've already had a massive breakout, up 31%. So, I mean, when you have really bullish news, it can blow your technical analysis out the water. But as of right now, there is still a possibility that this is just the wave B. And instead of completing the ABC already, this was all just a part of the wave A. This was a wave B pullback, and this is an explosive push to the upside in a wave C, and then you would see continuation. However, we have broken out of this falling wedge pattern. We've exploded all the way up to our next resistance zone, which is right here, and we're super overbought. But of course, news hype can just continue to skyrocket the price. But as you can see on the 4-hour, extremely overbought, up at resistance. So we could definitely run into some resistance here. If we do just continue to push up, always a possibility, then your next resistance is up here, in my opinion. In between about, let me open this up. We'll drop in some price tags. In between 0.027 and 0.028. Now we did come down and meet that technical target from the falling wedge. We were extremely oversold, and we were talking about seeing a bounce. Obviously, this is a massive bounce with this news here. So just watch these levels of resistance. If Bitcoin turns around, then Matic will most likely follow suit. But if you see Bitcoin see continuation to the upside, then Matic can keep exploding. Or just the hype around this news being released. Everyone thinks, you know, the bottom is in. We need to buy. So that's really pushing up the price. Of course, it's possible. Anything is possible in the crypto space. We've done everything we need to for a potential bottom being in for Gala Games. I still think there's a high likelihood that we still put in wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to the downside. Because basically, if Gala is just going to continue to break out to the upside, you also need the bottom to be in for Bitcoin. And I don't think that's the likely scenario as of just yet. But beautiful to see a nice pump for Gala Games with this news coming out. Obviously, we love to see that. One of my biggest investments is Gala. And I do think more bullish news will just continue to come out over the course of, you know, the next few years for Gala Games. And we could easily reach the $2 to $3 range. I know a lot of people don't like to hear me say that Gala could push all the way up to $4 to $5. They think it's impossible. But you can look at charts like Mana, you can look at Sand, and you can look a few years before the bull run and before they really started to take off. And you can see the potential of how high these coins can push in a bull market. It blows everybody's mind. And everybody's opinion changed. You know, people were in my comment section saying Gala has strong support at 0. You know, Gala is dead. And it always happens in the bear market. Crypto's a scam. And then, you know, price starts to break out. Oh my God, I love Gala, my favorite project. And everybody's mindset shifts. So it's all based on emotion. It's all based on price action and emotion. And as an investor and a trader, you have to ignore your emotions. And if you believe in a project, just continue to follow your investment plan no matter what, unless some really bearish news comes out that the coin's going to go to 0. But have we seen that for Gala? No. And personally, all I've seen for Gala is positivity, except for that one except for that one news event, which was right here that caused that flash crash. I think we have a lot of positive road ahead for Gala games, even if we pull back in the short term. If you buy Gala in this range in between 1 to 2 cents, or you continue to dollar cost average if we go lower, I think you're going to be a happy camper come 2025, 2026. All right, guys. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. You can sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Email me your sign up email, and I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.